Hello and welcome back to my series where we'll embark on a journey to build a website using the power of JavaScript. Today we're diving into the fundamental concepts in programming, variables. Think of variables as containers or placeholders that allow us to store and manipulate data in our programs. So there's three major things the variables do, which is declaration, assignment. So what are variables? In JavaScript, we declare variables using let and const, two keywords. Let's use let for our examples. Let my variable. Once declared, a variable can be assigned a value. This is like putting something into a container. So let my variable equal 42. Now, JavaScript is dynamically typed, which means you can change the type of variable during runtime. So now, why use variables? Variables allow us to store information that we can use and manipulate later in our program. For example, storing a user's name, age, or any other relevant data. This also makes our code more readable and maintainable. Instead of using hard coding values throughout the program, we can use meaningful variable names. Now let's talk about the variable naming rules. So for variables, you need to choose names that describe the purpose of the variable instead of using something generic like x. Use user age. They cannot start with a digit, and Java is case sensitive. So my var with a capital V and my var with a lowercase v are different. Camel casing is used also, as for multi-word variable names, there cannot be spaces. So my variable name, the V and the M in variable and name are capitalized. We also need to make sure we don't use reserved words. For example, let const, its, if, and etc. as variable names, as it can get very confusing very quickly. As we progress in our journey, mastering the use of variables becomes pivotal. Now let's use const. Const also declares variables but in different rules regarding a reassignment. This is used when you know you're not going to change the value of it, but you need to keep the script more readable and less confusing. Some people use to decide to use it, but it's personal preference whether you use it or not, as you may find out later that you want to change it, so it gets a little confusing. Overall, you've just learned how to declare and assign variables in JavaScript. These are foundational skills that you'll use in every JavaScript program. Now let's talk about the data types in JavaScript. There are three types: strings, number, and Boolean. Strings are used for text data and are enclosed in single or double quotes. Number is the second type and is used for numeric values including integers and floating point numbers. Boolean represents the true or false values, crucial for decision making in our programs. And when a variable is declared but not assigned a value, it is undefined. And null represents the international absence of an object. Now you know how to declare and assign variables, but you also know the different data types. These are building blocks of coding, and understanding them is pivotal for writing effective programs. Now we're going to talk about strings. They are sequences of characters that play a crucial role in many aspects of programming. Let's dive in. So, basic string manipulation and strict declaration. Let's start by declaring a string, a variable. Let greeting equal hello JavaScript. Concatenation. So, one fundamental operation in string concatenation where we combine two or more strings. The easiest example is let first name equal John. Let last name equal Doc. Then we will combine first name and last name to let full name equal first name plus last name. Now you can find the string length of a string using the length property. So let message learning JavaScript is fun. Let message length equal message.length. This will tell you the length of the string. Now we need to assess characters. Strings are zero-indexed, meaning you can access individual characters by their index. Let city equal Paris. Let first letter equal city 0. Let last letter equal city brackets city.length -1. JavaScript provides a set of powerful string methods that simplify string manipulation. Let's take a look at how to do it. To uppercase and to lowercase, these methods change the case of the string. Let lowercase hello. This will lowercase the entire hello word. Let uppercase hello. This will uppercase the entire hello word. Now you just scratched the surface on working with strings in JavaScript. String manipulation is a powerful skill that you'll use frequently in your coding journey. In the next video, we will learn about control flows and functions. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.